She went out with her husband and children, but she came back home without any of them. And it's so surprising that even after she had Ruth, who had committed herself to go with Naomi everywhere she goes, the Bible says that Naomi didn't even recognize Naomi was on her, Ruth was on her side. Naomi says, I am empty, I don't have anybody. But was that the truth? Was that the truth? No. Because Naomi, Ruth had made a commitment. But unfortunately, this woman was unseen.